Si Dory. Talaya si Nemo. Ito na si Dory. Ayan. Naghahanap ka lang ng fish para sa pond. Pero libre na yung tour. Oh. Kulay. Naghahanap kami ng fish para sa pond namin. Okay, so ito daw ang pwede sa pond. Fresh
Why is
water.
the color?
They are
what you call
different.
it, the color combination so big varieties.
The guppy.
Yeah, there's like one with tiger stripes and then there's like yellow and
Yeah,
orange.
you get different strains. So you got snake skins, you got emerald, I think it's emerald, yellow something, I forgot its name. You get the tuxedos, red tuxedos, also pink tuxedos. There's a lot of different strains. There's people have been breeding them. Now, so,
We got a pretty female also.
females, you're not really gonna get pretty ones.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get.
Look at this one. It's like they have big eyeballs. Hello, Dory. Saan na yung fish kanina? Hello, Nemo. Nemo. There's si Dory. Kasi ito si Dora. We done? Kasi si Dora. Dora, at saka si Dorong. So, ayan na yung nabili natin para sa pond. Female and male. At ito naman si Dora. Oh, diba? Naka-shopping bag. Si Dory, si Dora. Ayan si Doro. Wash it. Roasted. Hello. There's teddy bear. No, but it's not fluffy. Ang kulit ni Dory na to, ha. Dory, dito pa lumapit ka sa akin. Hi, Dory. Where is Mommy? Mommy, Kung pupunta ka lang, bibili ng fish para sa pond, may libreng tour ka na, oh. May libre na tayong aquarium tour. Ang cute nga eh. Ang cute ng corals. Tunay na corals. Buhay na buhay. Oh, so nakita na natin si Dory at saka si Nemo. Ito yung yellowfish na yan. Pwede na tayong umuwi. Ang cute nito, oh. Swim. Come on. It's beautiful. Look how beautiful is that. Okay, so we're releasing the fish for the pond. Da-da-da. I can see one, the tiny one. Ganda sana ilagay dito, tilapia at saka hito. Oh, may alaga ka na, may ulam ka pa. So, how many fish is that? 3. Okay, so that's 3 for that, from that plastic. And then how many in that bag? Also 3. Okay. That one looks like some fish are big ones. So this kind of fish is like the colorful and beautiful is male and then the plain one is female. Baliktad. Kung sino yung pangit, siya yung babae. Kung sino yung paganda, yun ang lalaki. Yun yung isa, oh. So, yan.
I want to put them together.
Okay. Male yung may orange siya, oh. Come on. Ay, ayun na pala yung iba. Yan. Welcome home, kiddies. Kiddos pala.
Immediately going for a mosquito. There's a mosquito now.
So they hungry. Okay, there's plenty food for you guys. Plenty mosquitoes. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 of them. Ito yung isa, oh. Okay, mini-mini. Pag wala akong maulam, titirahin ko kayo, gagawin ko kayong ulam.